Welcome to day 13 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stress Less with Sneha J and the host of a 21-day Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Today, we are going to learn a simple practice to help us allow and investigate our difficult emotions and nurture ourselves through these difficult emotions. This practice is called R.A.I.N, R-A-I-N. R stands for recognizing, A stands for allowing and acceptance, I stands for investigation, and N stands for nourishing. Let's get started. Find a quiet space. You can lie down for this as usual, or you can sit down on the floor. You can also sit on a chair like I am sitting right now. Close your eyes. If it is uncomfortable for you to close your eyes, you can keep them open or you can lower the gaze. I'm going to close my eyes. As you close your eyes, notice inside. Notice the emotions. Notice the thoughts arising and falling. Notice any tension, any worry. Now bring to your attention a difficult emotion or a difficult experience that you may have had recently. As you bring this emotion or experience to your awareness, notice any tightness or changes in the body. Now recognize the presence of this difficult emotion. You can say something like, I have anger, frustration, I feel anxious, I feel angry. Whatever it is, just our job right now is to recognize what is coming to us. A lot of times when we are faced with difficult emotions, we end up wanting to run away from them. So in this practice, we are trying to allow this difficult emotion to be present within us. So our next step after we recognize this difficult emotion is going to be accepting and allowing of this experience to be here. You can say something like, this is what I'm feeling right now, and I accept this situation. and I allow it to be here in this moment. And slowly turn this allowance into investigation. Notice where you are feeling this emotion, this difficult expression, experience. Ask where it must have come from. What was the root cause? What started this emotion? Ask yourself, can you accept this emotion as it is, or would you want to change it? Allow yourself to be just curious and ask a lot of questions to yourself. Why am I feeling this? What can I do to make this feel better? Is this temporary or permanent? Moving out of your body through yawning, through out breaths. And now shift this investigation into nurturing. Say something to yourself that will bring you self-compassion. You can say something like, I will be okay. Things will be fine. I will find a way out. This is just temporary and things will change. I am there for you no matter what. I am strong and capable to face this. You can even put your hands on your heart for the nurturing part, or you can keep them down. When you feel complete, you may slowly open your eyes. Notice how you felt being that inner ally for yourself. Notice what difference it made for you when you stood and sat down with whatever that you were feeling. Maybe it was very difficult for you to even comprehend that this experience happened to you, right? And for practice, we're not going to use a lot of very difficult experiences. The idea is to use experiences that are less difficult so that we can practice and then open our heart more for allowing bigger emotions to pass through. So let me know what you felt about this particular meditation, and for sure write down and use your journal to note down and be more mindful of whatever that is coming out through this meditation, after this meditation, and write it down. And you can always share that with me through my email. You can get access to me when you subscribe to the free meditation challenge, where I send you 21 days of mindfulness meditations to your inbox. So you can sign up for that below. You can subscribe to this channel, or you can even comment on below this video and let me know how you felt after this meditation. Thank you so much again for watching. Namaste.